In today's video, I'll show you how to display recent posts in WordPress using a built-in widget. This is a great way to keep your website fresh and encourage visitors to explore more of your content. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want the recent posts to appear. Click Edit to open the WordPress block editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the plus icon used to add new blocks and click on it. This opens the block library. In the search box, type latest posts. Then select the latest post block when it appears. As soon as you add it, WordPress will automatically display your most recent blog posts. Now it's time to customize the display. In the block settings, you can choose how many posts you want to show. Adjust the number based on how much content you want visitors to see. You can also turn on the option to show post dates, which helps readers know how fresh your content is. If you want to add more context, you can enable the author name as well. For a more visual layout, you can also turn on featured images. This makes your recent posts section more eye-catching and helps draw attention to your content. Once everything looks the way you want, click Update or Save to apply your changes. Your page or post will now display your latest articles automatically. That's it. You've successfully added a recent post widget to your WordPress site, making it more engaging and dynamic. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!